Hi guys, Rob D here from Expedition Team Overland. We're in the shop with D, and we're going to be doing a tire repair kit. So we put a nail in a tire here, kind of keeping it as simulated as we can. And so what we're going to use, the tire repair kit that D has. I have the ARB one. They're all pretty much the same. So D's here going to go step by step on what we have to do.
Alright guys, so our first step here is we're going to want to locate where on the tire it is leaking. If you look here, we're pretty close to the center of the tread. You don't want to get too far plugging a tire into this sidewall. You can do it, it'll get you off the trail, but I wouldn't recommend driving on it. So step one, find whatever's in your tire. Carry a set of pliers on you is always good. Let's go ahead and pull that nail out. Then you're going to take your reamer here. What that does is it opens the hole up a little bit for you, so you're not fighting it too much getting that plug to go in. What you want to do is get that down inside the tire as far as you can. Rotate it, kind of rock it back and forth. What you're doing there is you're going to open that hole up, so that way your plug will slide right in. That seems pretty good there. Then after that, you're going to take this here. Your plug will slide through this hole. My kit actually comes with a little bit of lube. So what we're going to do is lube that tip up. That way it's not fighting you too much going inside that tire. Helps a little bit if you guys flatten out this one end, so that way you can get it started through there. Go ahead, grab those pliers you guys should be carrying, and you're going to pull that until you're about halfway. Alright guys, so once you get that plug in there, you don't want to push the plug all the way through. You want to leave 1/4 of an inch or so out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to drop this little sleeve here, hold some pressure on that. There you go. It's a good plug. And then what you're going to want to do is you don't want these hanging off your tire. You want to cut that down. You want to cut that down as far as you can, or as close as you can, to the tread of your tire. What that's going to prevent is actually ripping this plug back out of your tire. That looks good there. That's a good plug. Holding air, I don't hear any hissing, so that's a good sign.
Alright, so that's how we plug the tire. So why do you want to not do the sidewall?
Plugging the sidewall could actually end up causing more damage to the tire. You could actually push your belts up, and then driving under highway speeds and stuff like that, if the tire does still leak, it'll actually start to split the tire, and you definitely want to try to avoid that if you can. Basically, you get a sidewall puncture, you should replace the tire.
And is this safe for highway driving once you do this on the trail, or should you take it to a shop and get it replaced as soon as possible?
I would recommend if you can stay in the middle of the tire plugging it to get you off the trail and get you back home, I think it would be okay on highway speeds. But now most shops are actually dismounting the tire from your wheel and actually plugging it from the inside, which is a lot stronger, a lot better repair. But like we were saying, this will get you off the trail.
Alrighty. So thanks D for this. We got some more videos coming up in the shop with D on various other maintenance that you can do and whatnot. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we have a bunch of other videos on trips come up to Colorado, Allegheny National Forest and whatnot. So have a good one, guys.
All right, thanks guys, see ya.